Okay, so I'm gonna try these replacement door lock knobs for the my 2004 Mercedes E500. So this one works. But it's about to break, so I haven't fully tightened it, but I'm gonna remove it. See if I can, if the replacement that I purchased on Amazon is suitable in terms of if it can replace this one. So this one is actually about to break. There's a crack in here somewhere. That's the original threading, which I hope to. It looks like it's not threaded all around. It's threaded on the sides, and the side seems flat. And this is the original. This is the replacements I purchased on Amazon. I think they were really cheap for like maybe something like $10 or something, and I got 8 of them. So this is a size comparison. So I think these replacement ones are definitely much taller. So I don't think I'll have the problem of it going to be too low. And this shows the crack over here. This is plastic, the original one. It's cracking here, as you can see. It keeps cracking even though I replace it. So, and the replacement is metal, and this is what the one in the front has already cracked and broken off, as you can see. So I'm hoping to replace this, and it works. And let's see if it fits, and the fit works. So it looks like the threading is too large. So it looks like it won't fit. It won't fit. So I'll probably have to replace these, even though they look kind of funky. But the threading seems like it's too threading is too big for this. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna return these to Amazon, and I'm gonna put back the originals. Different problem is this bouncing door lock problem, which also makes this machine gun sound. So this is unlock, lock, it makes a jump. So this is a different problem from these plastic doorknobs just breaking, but this is another problem I hope to solve. Okay, so these are gonna go back to Amazon.